Hi all, welcome back to my channel. Today's topic is comments. Comments are very helpful to developing any programming language to understanding what we are writing the source code wise. Comments makes completely ignoring the interpreter. Interpreter cannot be executed the comments just like how we are ignoring the data. These comments will be performing like that one. Here two types of comments: single line comments and multi-line comments. By using of hash symbol, we are commenting the data. Okay, how we are commenting? See, this is a example of comment. Last class I installed a Jupyter notebook. In that one I am given to the real-time example into the here comment. See, here I am printing some data. Okay, first I am printing some data. Welcome to IT double three technologies. For example, what we are writing here, those we are writing into the comment format. Hash, this is a print operation. Okay, now we are executing this one. Run this. Here, welcome to IT33 will be printed. This print operation will not be printed because it is a commented. Next one, this is a example of another one. Here we are given to the comment for line Y. We are printing the some comment IT33 technologies. Welcome to IT33 technologies. This is a string format. Here we are printing the some integer. Print 100. Like we have printing with comment. We can understand what we are printing the here. Okay, this is a single type of comment. When we are going to the multi-line comments, we need to write multiple lines, the comment format, which we have writing into the like this format. This is a multi-line comments. When we are printing the data using a comment, user will understanding the source code. Okay, how we are printing the multi-line comments here. Okay, print so welcome to IT double three tech. Okay, now I want to print this one in the multiple lines. Okay, this is a print operation. Print. Now I want to print the uh, some data. Okay, next I want to exactly print welcome to ITW3 tech. Now I am running this one. Here whatever the print operation we are given to the data, that data will be printed. Remaining these all are ignoring. The interpreter will not be accessing into the this comment lines. Next one, we are given to the three dots. Like when we are given to the printing the data, to comment that source, to comment the data using this three dots. How we will comment? I will show here. Print, or else I will take into here same example. This is a print operation. Print. Next, print the some data. Next, print welcome to IT double three tech. Okay, I am printing this one. See, this data will be ignored. This print operation will be printed. Next, input and output. Why we need to input and output means to interacting with the user. To interact with the user, for example, we want to enter some data. At that time, input operation is required. We want to get the some we want to get some result. At the time, we need to output. Okay, input function will take a input data. Okay, how we'll be performing? Generally, the input is a by default string in Python. By default string. How we will check it to the real time? User username is equal to input. We are given to the input. Enter some data. Enter the name. Okay. Here it will be asking to them to enter some data. Okay. What kind of data means? I want to check type of user name. Okay. Run it. Here I am entering some data. IT tech. Okay. This is a what kind of data? What data type? String data type. str means string data type. I told before last class data types. We have multiple data types. How we are checking into the data types? Using a type method. Okay. We are entering some data. The data is a string by default string. Okay. Here we have input and output operations are there. Python by default int operation will take to the string format only. For example, we want to enter some integer type or else a float type. How we will print? How we will given to the integer type or else a float type? I will show you here. Age is equal to age is integer type. Okay. Int of input enter your age. Okay. Next print type of age. Next print age. Running. My age is 30. Okay. I am printing 30. Here this is a integer type. What kind of data means? This is a integer type. We are printing some data. That data is 30. We are entering some data. That data is 30. Here we are printing 30. Next, in the same way, float. Salary. Salary is equal to float of input of enter your salary. Okay. Print type of salary. Next, print salary. I'm running this one. My salary is something. Okay. I got this much of salary. I am entering this one. Here, this is a float type. What kind of type means? Float type. I got a salary like this one. Next one, typecasting. For example, when we are given to the input to integer type or else input to float type or else input to string type, how we will display the typecasting process? That means one data type to another data type. Okay. Before I said that one. For example, I want to enter some data. The data is a integer type. Okay. We are entering the int type. Into we are given to the keyword int. We will go for example. Num1 is equal to int of input. Enter the first value. Okay. Next, num2 is equal to int of input of enter the second value. Okay. Next, I want to print this two values, num1 and num2. Print of num1 plus num2. Okay. I am printing this one. I am given to the some first value is a 10, second value is a 20. It will be printed 30. The arithmetic operation, we are given to the arithmetic operation, we are printing the sum data. In the same way, float, sal1, sal1, float of input of enter salary 1, sal2 is equal to float of input enter salary 2. Okay, now I am entering the, I am adding the two salaries, salary 1 and salary 2, sal 1 plus sal 2. Okay, I'm running. Salary 1 is a 10,000, salary 2 is a 20,300, 2,000 plus 300. We got 12,000.3. Next one, input to string str. We are given to the, in the place of int and float, we are given to the str. When we want to enter some integer type data, we need to give that one str. Name is equal to str of, by default it will take to the string format only. Input, we don't need to give to the str. If you want to give to the str, it will take to the string format only, whatever the data we are entering. Enter the name. Next, print name. I am entering some data, IT double 3 tech. IT double 3 tech is printed here. Next, multiple inputs. When we want to multiple inputs, we are entering using on split method. Using on split method, we can give to the multiple inputs. Okay, x comma y is equal to input of enter two values. Okay, enter the two values dot split. Split operation is required because it will be splitting the data x value and y value. Print number of x value comma x, print number of y value, we are given to the codes comma y. I am running this one. Enter two values. I am entering some data, two values, 10 comma 10 or 20. X value is a 10, y value is a 20. We don't need to give the comma. Okay, here we are taken to the two inputs at a time. Here we are taken to the one input at a time. In the same way, we have multiple examples. I am taking the three inputs, splitting the data, same process. I am taking to the two inputs, the same format, like whatever that we discuss. For example, I want to take the multiple inputs. How it will be happening, I will show you here. Here, I am taking the x is equal to list of map. Map operation will be performing to get the multiple inputs into integer type, right? Int comma input of enter multi values. Okay, dot split. It will be splitting the data. Okay, print list of values, or x. I'm assigning the x value here. I'm done it here. And print this one. I'm taking the multiple values. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Okay. Here multiple values will be printed. Here at a time we are taken to the multiple values. Next one, output. How to print the output values using a, we are given to the, we are assigning some data to the value wise, like name is a one value. In the two values we are assigning some data. The data is a 3. Age is a one value. We are assigning some data 30. Print, we are printing the name and age. Name is equal to double quotes some log. Age is equal to 30. Print name. Okay. Print age. We can give a single quotes also, not a problem. There we are not given to the any input keyword. We are not given to the any input keyword. We are given to the, we are assigning some data. We are printing the data. Okay. This is a output print operation. SCP. SCP is a separate the position of arguments. Separating means we are separating some data. Here we are given to the three. We are assigning three values. Those values are A, B, C. We are given. We are using the separate value by using of dash. How it will be printing? I will show you here. I am taking to the some value. A is equal to 1, B is equal to 11, C is equal to 2023. Okay. Print A comma B comma C comma SCP is equal to what we want to dash. For example, I want to slash. I will print like this one, like that format. The data, whatever the data column is, the date column will be printed like this one. A is a first value, 11 is a second value, 2023 is a third value. ABC values. Okay. For example, I want to print without a new line. The same line I want to print multiple input data. How we will be printing the data? This is a format of. Generally, we are printing the multiple lines like print welcome. This is a one print operation. Another print operation, print IT double three take. This is a two operations. We are printing the two lines. See, it will be printed two line. I want to print same line, one single line. How it will be printed? Print welcome, comma END. END to print data the same line only. Print IT double three take. Okay, comma END. I am running here. Here IIT double three take. Welcome to IIT double three take. It will be printed like this one. See. Okay. Next one. This is also same processor. I want to print no iteration process wise. How it will be performing? I will show you. A is equal to some value. We are given to some value 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Okay. For I in a range of 4, I want to print 4 values. Up to 4 values. Print A of I, comma end is equal to data. Okay. It will be printed up to 4. The same way we will print multiple operations. Here we are given to the at the rate in the middle of the string. How we will print that one? I will show you here. Print, sorry, print Python. Okay, and equal to within the bracket and given to the at the rate. Okay. Next, I want to another print is a easy language. Okay, I want to print this one. See, Python at the rate of is a language. Okay,